Guys, so we're gonna start the battle of Saitama versus Gojo. My Gojo, I bought in on forgot this melon store. I don't know that, but I bought it there. It's low quality, guys, so I'm sorry. Alright, let's start the video. So wait, guys. Hello, sir. Hello, bro. What's up? There's no bro to us, bro. I have a bad mood today. So could you just please go away? This is my own path, bro. I'm going to groceries, so can I go in, bro? And don't disturb me. I'm just trying to be good today because I have a good day. Well, I will destroy your good day by killing you. Huh? Try me, bro. Alright, bro. No hesitation. Well, you kinda dealt some damage, you know that. But it's time to get serious. Ah! Ultimate. Well, it's time to get serious too. Infinity. Well, shall we start this fight right now? Alright. Get out of my face, bro. No. Well, you're kinda strong, but you will not survive this. Domain expansion. You're on my domain expansion, you know that? And it's time to kill you for real. By the way, time for me to distance myself. Red. Red. We'll have fun with my red. Red! You freaking hate me! I didn't expect that you will destroy my domain expansion like that easily. By the way, the game was not started yet. I know, cause I'm gonna start it now. Die, you freaking god! Wow. Can you just die, bitch? Wow. We'll finish this at all costs. That. I cannot stand up. Why? Why? It's time for you to go. I will buy my groceries first. Super kick. Bruh.